Okay, for this prototypical form, remember we're starting with different ordered pairs, meaning where in the Punnett square, where in the Cartesian plane do you plug in items and why? You could choose any specific Cartesian plane, any specific Punnett square to include language related to a psychological function. Meaning, why include sensory in the top left and feeling in the bottom right? What does it imply about the nature or the state of a personal visualization schema? Start with your preferred quadrant, or however you define the quadrant of best fit, meaning how you orient yourself with regard to the prototypical forms, because you could choose any of these. You could put S here, you could put F here, you could flip it, you could put F here, you could put S here, you could put F here, you could put S here, you could put S here, you could put F here. Why choose it in any specific way? Ask yourself that question. Why would it be chosen in any specific way? And what different outcomes do we get as a result? So for this, I tried to mirror it. I tried to mirror, instead of S and F, I put SI and FI. Why? Because we're asking ourselves the question, how do you layer your ontological primitives? What is next to, across from, perpendicular, or adjacent? And you're going to want to start with a perception if a perception is across from as opposed to next. Start with a judgment if a judgment is across from as opposed to next to. Pause. This is very crucial because this Punnett square notation, this Cartesian plane notation, will become a fundamental pillar in our understanding of how to visualize psychological types in the objective personality system. Why do we start with this specific notation in terms of common notation? And why not choose any other ordered pair in order to include a visualization metric? Why are we including DE in quadrant 1, DI in quadrant 2, OI in quadrant 3, and OE in quadrant 4? Why do that? Until next time.